How to change your age on YouTube on your computer. This tutorial shows you how to update your birth date through your Google account settings. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. After that, sign into your Google account if you aren't already. From there, click on Personal Info from the left sidebar. At this point, scroll down and click on Birthday under the Basic Info section. In the next step, click on the pencil icon next to your birthday to edit it. Following this, update the day, month, and year to reflect your correct age. Once done, click Save to confirm the change. From here, this updated birth date automatically applies across all Google services, including YouTube. Keep in mind, YouTube uses this age to determine access to certain content and features, so changing it may affect what's available to you, like age-restricted videos. Finally, open YouTube and refresh the page to see the updated settings reflected on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your age on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.